Arey, discuss this for 15 minutes at least. You have to give just your views only.
We can discuss.
Okay. Okay, once more, then we will discuss.
Yeah, once
No,
more
first
this, then
we will discuss, then we will play. That
No,
discussion time should be only for 15 minutes.
First
then
we want to play this game.
Okay,
Okay, let's just put your points only and don't argue. Okay, what you thought, just tell this only, and we will end this discussion. Okay, let's just not skip this.
Okay.
I don't even know. But
Topic. What was the topic?
What was the topic?
Is bullet train. Something was bullet train.
Bullet train.
Okay.
Yeah, that I know, but topic.
Okay, I have written this. What is the topic? Okay, so our second activity is group discussion.
Yeah, me too,
Today's topic is introducing bullet trains in India is good idea.
Yes.
Yes,
It is a very good idea.
It is a very good idea.
yes, very good.
Yeah, we
Very
have
good.
done. We have given our views.
I
Eh,
believe that bringing bullet train is a good idea, but what do I believe is like, first of all, as we all know that railways are the backbone of India. So I think India should first of all look for the betterment, or they should look for the betterment of the existing train, because if bullet train will come also, then we can't
We
remove all
should
the
apply
trains,
this
right?
idea for 5G connection
Because
also. That
90%
first
of
we should
people
look
are
for
traveling
3G,
Yes.
then we
Yes.
should do for 5G.
Yesterday you were
Yeah,
saying that why
Yeah,
we
yesterday
are
you were saying that why, so
opposing the
now
new
also we
technology.
we
So
should
now
look for
also you
technology.
should
We should
focus
go
on
for
new.
bullet train.
Leave
Yeah,
the
we should
leave the
I will
railways.
reply for
Leave
this.
the railways.
Yeah, leave
Yes.
the railways,
Now why
go
to
for the
develop?
new
I
trains,
will
go for
reply
the
for that.
development of country, go for the
Why,
economy of
why
country,
to
go for the
develop
GDP
that?
of country. Why to
See, I
look after
will for
but
that.
it is not helping economy of country, Neha, because we are taking loan of 88 lakh crore from Japan, and we have to give that loan in 50 years. So it is not
Okay,
that
we were giving our views.
you are going to gain a lot
So
of
it will be beneficial na, that it will be the fastest mode we can travel
and
easily from
with
one place to
that
another. It
study
will
of
save
that,
lots
I
of
agree with
time.
the Kansha Saini.
It will directly
saves
give
lots of time
4,000
and
jobs.
in the new era.
It is
Yeah,
like
you are
that
right.
fish
It
market.
will give employment to the people.
Yeah, it
also,
will.
and
Yeah, I have
will
also studied that
pressure on the
2,000
railway
people will get employed on this
system.
project,
Railway is the
and
backbone
it
of
will
India,
directly,
but it
and
is having a
2,000
lot
and
pressure.
20,000 construction workers are also getting employment for constructing the train. So yeah, this is very good idea for giving that, because and it will also create less stress on railways. Yeah, and bullet trains are so big, means so much seats. I have written somewhere.
I just want to put one point. Like you are saying, yeah, I agree to your point. Definitely, it will be an asset for our country, and it will
And
obviously
safety.
provide.
Yeah,
to a
it will be
certain amount of-
betterment in safety also.
Let me complete. Like I
Yeah.
agree to both of your points, like what Akansha is saying and what Neha is saying. Obviously, it will provide obviously it will provide employment and certain amount of people, and it will also be a great asset for our country. But don't you think, it's a nice step even, but I guess like India should first of all focus over the Indian railway. Why? See, it is going side by side, that is it, but because you know that if bullet train will come, it will cost, means its ticket will cost quite high, which we people can't afford, until and unless whole railway system is entirely changed with bullet, then only it will be successful. But still, if it is at initial stage, the government should first of all look over the Indian, means the wide, the spreadest, means the as we all know that the Indian railway is spread all over the India, so they must look over that even, because we all know when
So,
bullet train
Parki,
will come, it
But
will
but Parthi,
Parthi, why
yesterday
didn't
you
you
said
see?
that
Yesterday you were, yeah, I was
yesterday
stuck
you
with
said
that
that
point only.
let's
Yesterday you were so
bring
uh,
5G to metropolitan
yeah.
cities.
So why
So now
you are not
let's
concerned
bring
for
bullet train to metropolitan
that?
cities like Delhi and Mumbai.
Yes,
Yeah,
right.
so-
That time you were
and
not
the
concerned
rail-
about 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. That time you were
And
saying that
why we should
they
wait
should
for
not be.
railways
Yeah, why you were saying that we should
to get
we should go
developed.
for
Yes.
older network. We should just focus on new technology and all. So why today you are just opposing your own points?
okay,
And
let
even
me-
people are paying money for airplanes also, Parki. Parki, it is not about the cost. People travel by plane also, and the cost is very high. If they will travel by
Yes.
bullet train, the time will be saved, and even it will carry the Parki. Let me complete. It will carry more number of passengers than airplane.
okay, okay, let me say.
Tell me, Vartika, we are just introducing one bullet train soon by 2022, which is
Which will run from
Mumbai to
Ahmedabad and
It
to
is,
Mumbai.
it is very
Yeah,
it is very
so fun.
costly,
Yes,
okay?
Akansha.
And it is not for everyone. The people who are living in Ahmedabad and Mumbai and able to get those trains. We are not able to use that trains. So it is necessary that if it is introducing it is introducing to the fully.
Look, yes,
So
there is
how come we have to introduce first step? First step will be done only in one
on the
place.
other
Na?
hand,
It
on
cannot
the
be
other
done
hand,
in all
if we-
over the
if we-
cities.
What?
Even,
Yes, and
you know,
and it
we
is
complain
not about
this,
the
China
price.
is developing. China is having such much efficient system, and even if India is introducing, we are saying no, please don't introduce. We need to
No,
introduce.
we are not
Yeah.
against that. We are not against like you are saying now that we are not saying that no, you should not introduce bullet train. The thing I mean is like as Sugandha is telling and Neha said that first train will be, start from 2022. Okay, that will be
Yeah.
from Ahmedabad to Bombay. But like it will be the fastest moving train and it means bullet. It will be its speed will be about 380 kilometer per hour. But don't you think the distance from Ahmedabad to Bombay, there are so many villages, there are so many small stations where that bullet will not stop. So we can't totally replace bullet train from means at the initial stage, right? It will take many years to change entirely change that bullet train from normal trains. So still means many of the people are still relying over the Indian Railway because we have to think over the people
So,
who live in villages.
But
Parki,
yesterday
it is
you were
not
saying
that we have
wait,
to
Akansha,
replace railway.
Akansha,
Railways will be
yesterday,
there.
Parki,
We
yesterday
are
you
not
were saying
saying to
that
replace
look,
it.
yesterday you were saying that for 5G connection it is better in metropolitan cities.
Yesterday we are
not
having
for
another
today.
topic.
No,
Yesterday
but
we are
no,
having new topic today.
No,
Don't
but
talk about
the point is
yesterday.
that only. Point is that only. Yesterday we have said, I and Akansha was saying that we should focus on that 4G and 3G network first.
But
Like
Neha,
that
but
today.
Neha, the networks are is responsibility of some particular companies. But the bullet trains are.
But yesterday you were saying that it is responsibility of
Government
government. But
is
no,
saying
yesterday
that
you were saying that
government
it is the
is
responsibility
there
of
on-
government. No, yesterday Sugandha, you were saying that it is the responsibility of government. And as Parki, you are saying that that bullet train will run from Ahmedabad to Mumbai and many stations will come. Likewise, that 5G, 4G network in our area, in our area 4G tower is there. But in some area, the networks don't come. So why people are not looking for that areas? That what I was saying yesterday, but you disagreed my point. You
I want to say one point, Parki.
Neha, please,
Parki, I
can
want
you
to say
listen to
one
me what
point.
I'm
The current
saying?
railway system also, the train does not stop on every station. There are some train who stop from like a fixed
yeah, there
stations
are some
only.
like
So
there are some
it is
train-
not
train
that we
do
have to
stop in
replace.
many
It
areas.
is not that we have to replace our current railway system by the bullet train. It will be an additional means of transport for and the person who want to travel who and that will travel.
Obviously they will. I'm not
Okay.
against like we should stop. Yeah, I'm not saying that India is not ready for bullet train. I'm saying obviously India is ready because until and unless we will start, how we will develop. I didn't mind that you are understanding. Like, yeah, obviously India is ready, but I think that side by side, government should focus on Indian Railway also, because it will never stop, right? As you are saying that we are not trying to replace bullet train with the normal trains. Bullet trains are means they are manufacturing. Everything is going on the
But
process.
you know what?
And
Many countries just failed by introducing this bullet trains because it is very expensive and it leads to them in a very large debt. And that's what we are doing here. We are taking a loan of 88 lakh crore from Japan.
And you know what means India is developing this bullet train. That's a very good initiative. But the thing is, like, they are taking help from Japan. They are contributing
Yes.
with Japan. But if we will totally rely, means India should look over that also, because we can go in we can go in losses even. If suppose like India is doing everything on their own, right? So we can take risk, but just because the other countries are involving, so we can't even take risk. Like you were saying, yesterday's topic and today's topic is quite different. Like that
Yes,
geo,
because it is related to our government.
Both the topics are
Yeah.
related to our country. So I was saying that we should also look for the older networks also. But
See,
that time you were disagreeing that point. But now,
see,
if
one
we,
thing,
now
Ravi.
wait. This time also we are saying that we are not replacing that. So, okay, so that time also we are not replacing that 5G to 4G. So how you can say that 5G connection will be just give to older that isolated cities also? You were saying that we should directly give it to. We are not replacing. So we should work on that connections
Acha,
also.
tell me one thing. Like I yesterday said that 5G networks or 5G facility should be directly implied to the isolated area, right?
Yeah,
Right?
so today
You
also
agree
you
with
can
my
say
opinion?
this. Yeah.
Acha, can you tell me one thing? Can we directly imply bullet trains to all rural areas, to normal?
So that what
small
I was
cities?
saying yesterday, that first we should focus on
Not
2G,
possible,
3G and 4G net. So that what I was saying yesterday, that first we should focus on that area, but you were disagreeing that point.
But it is possible networks to get directly implemented, that we can apply 5G networks directly, but we can't apply bullet trains. This is the difference between these
Tell me
topics.
one thing. Do you know the cost of making one single
4,000 to
bullet train?
8,000.
Apart from infrastructure.
Yes, it is 97,636 crore. I have written
Just
that.
a single train, okay, including and it is excluding the infrastructure. Railway lines means the lines will be for the bullet train will be different. So see the cost.
So
we
this,
can't
you know,
directly
this treaty of bullet train was signed on 7 October 2013. India and Japan signed this treaty many years ago that we will provide you the bullet train. It is implementing now. It's not that we
that's
are
what
just doing this time.
Yesterday I was saying that we can directly
And you know
imply
what?
5G.
Neha,
But
that this one train is going to start. It will be dependent on Japan.
But-
We are dependent on Japan only for 15 years at least. We are not independent. We have to be under Japan. 15 years.
We have given responsibility to Japan because Japan is expert in this field, in
Yeah,
bullet
exactly.
train. That's why we have given.
But
That's what the
loan
point
of
is, na?
very high amount of loan from that, and we this also leads us to very many losses.
See, yesterday
If
point
it-
was like we can directly
that-
imply, but here we
that
can
bullet
directly imply to means to whole country. Bullet trains cannot be directly implied, but means it needs lot of infrastructure.
And you were saying that that train will not stop to any station. There are 12 stations in which that train will stop.
Yeah, train will
But
stop, but we can directly
instead of-
imply, na, to all India. Can we imply? Can you tell me this?
What
Means you want like you are not getting my point. Like yesterday I said 5G technology should be bring to your area, rural area and isolated area. Acha, tell me one thing. I said that. Can you tell this now? Can the bullet train be directly implied to whole country? No, na. It will be like
So that point at 5G connection will also not directly imply to whole country, to
we are not
all isolated
requiring in
area.
the whole
It will
country.
also first apply on metropolitan cities only. It will also not apply to whole India first time only. Like you were saying that 5G can.
I'm not against that. That's what I'm saying. That I'm not against like bullet train should not be.
I am telling about 5G connection. Look, yesterday you were saying that 5G connection
I want
okay,
to,
look,
I want
see,
to
see,
say one
see,
point. I want to
see,
say one
you are
point.
saying that,
Like
okay,
if
bullet,
bullet
I agree
train,
your point
if
that
bullet train will
wait,
come.
wait, Akansha, wait. I agree your point that bullet train cannot be implemented to all over India. Likewise, 5G connection can also not be implemented to all. It will also first implement on metropolitan cities. It will also not come firstly directly to isolated areas.
Neha,
So how can
please,
you just
will you listen to me? Neha, calm down. First, listen.
I am
We are,
calm only.
let's not just talk about 5G or bullet train. We are just comparing these two topics. Let's just talk about bullet trains.
Okay.
We were giving only views.
Yes.
I want to play that game.
I want to tell one point. Like bullet trains.
you want to play that
directly
game.
apply to all the areas. You are repeating the same points. Parki, you too repeating the same points, and
Okay.
Neha, you too repeating the
Okay.
same points.
I am giving a new point.
Okay,
So
what's
listen,
Akansha
please.
saying?
Just get.
I'm saying that bullet train will be like very fast. They will save a lot of time. Like this will change our Indian mindset also. Like we will go to station on time. We will take our train on time. We will reach to our place on time. So it will be beneficial in that way also. Like we will not be late.
It will
Our
give us the value of
late
time.
attitude. Our late attitude can be improved.
Beneficial. Of course, if technology is introduced, so it is beneficial only. But we are talking about that it is India ready? Because we are having
Yes.
many problems in
Yes,
Indian
India is
Railways.
ready. India is
Has
ready.
to
Yes.
improve that first, because 90% of population is traveling in that, and only 10% are able to travel in that bullet trains, airplanes, and other high class. We should be,
But-
instead
but
of taking
I want
loans
to-
from Japan.
I want to
Let them
travel in
replace.
bullet train and I can't go to
But if
Japan.
you-
So if it
I
will
know
come in
you-
India, I will travel.
Yeah,
So I
I will
want
also
that
travel.
this
Okay,
should
no,
come.
Sugandha, as you are
But
saying
we
that,
are,
no,
we are just saying
Sugandha,
that
look.
it is not a need of an
Yeah,
hour.
that
It is not necessary.
yeah. What I
It is not
what
necessary to bring bullet
Wait.
trains this time only, because we have very poor infrastructure of today, that Indian railway lines. We are
look,
having
you
so
are
many
saying
accidents.
okay. Look, Sugandha, you are saying that only less people travel on aeroplanes, or mostly people took that trains and all. But if you see the people going from Delhi to Mumbai, they usually their priority is plane only, not that train, because it took so much time. So means 2 to 3 days. So
Acha.
they usually take
Acha, Neha. If I want to go Mumbai, I will prefer a train only, because I'm a middle class girl. I will
I'm
not go
not
to plane.
talking about you.
plane.
I am personally
Wait.
not talking about you, Sugandha. I am telling about all the people. Most probably people's priority is
India.
people priority will be plane.
Yes,
Like if
well,
I will go to Mumbai,
Yes,
I
Neha,
will
you
go
are
by
talking
plane.
about the 10% population of the country who can afford that plane.
Most
Or
people,
bullet
most of the
train.
people
You know
are
what
going by
the
plane.
expenses of bullet train? What will be the expenses of bullet train? Can you tell? 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. And it is some like a plane
So people
ticket
not.
only.
I
How
don't
can
think
I-
that
Then-
people will travel.
then we
Okay,
should,
so if, okay, you
then
know.
we
Okay,
should
tell
not
me,
develop
Sugandha,
the
that
airplanes
you
or
are
airport
if you are
also.
living
Like
in
we
Ahmedabad
are
and you wanted to go
they were
Mumbai, you will
saying
not
to
go in
develop.
every month. You will
That-
not go in
Kansha,
every
what you are
15
saying-
days. You will
What you are
go.
saying is
Listen my point. In Pantnagar, they were saying to make a airport. It will be an international airport and all. So it will cost so much money, so we should not develop it. It's not the case always of money. It will
See, the
bring
problem-
development.
we are talking about
Many Statue
why
of
we are
Unity.
taking loan.
What about that money?
It leads to
We
many
should have
losses
used
to
that
India
money in
also.
building
We
the
are not able to
infrastructure and all.
clear that loan. It is not necessary to take that loan for introducing bullet trains. If we are having enough money to introduce bullet trains, we can introduce, and we will introduce if we are having. Why we are taking loans from other countries? If we are unable to clear that loan in 50 years, then what will do? India will go downwards only. It will not improve our economy. It will lead to decrease economy only. instead of that taking loan, we India should invest their money, whatever money they have, should invest their money
But
in
Sugandha,
wrong on
but
that
Sugandha,
point, it
the
will
treaty,
decrease the
the
economic
treaty
growth.
or the document is already signed, and
You can see
bullet train
China.
will
China
come
is having
to India.
25,000
So it
kilometer
would.
bullet network.
Akansha,
And
as you are saying
you
that
can see the
documents is
economy is
already
not
signed,
decreasing.
so I am not asking to stop that project. We are just discussing this topic. I'm not asking stop. Don't come bullet train. We are not ready for it. But it is happening. We are just discussing and putting our points. Okay, Prashal is saying let's conclude.
Yeah, yes, let's
Whole-
conclude and play. We
Why
are
Prashal
just
is
giving
not
the views,
speaking?
and we are just
Don't
fighting,
type
you know.
so much.
We want to play game.
Your
Yeah, we
want to
wanted to
play-
play game.
What
Please
a game.
conclude the
hesitates in
topic.
between. You should speak. You should speak
Yeah.
instead of texting.
Please conclude the topic.
Okay, Prashal, you only conclude today's topic, please.
Nobody was letting me speak in between, and everything was such a fish market. I couldn't speak in between.
So you should learn to speak in fish market.
Fish market.
कब डाले?
Never on the voices.
Okay, Prashal, let's conclude. You will conclude
Okay.
today's.
आ गए होंगे, रुको.
I'm not studied for this topic. This was not the reason why I was not able to speak, because I was not getting any chance. So I was waiting and waiting for others.
Are you conclude?
Okay, so today also I think topic of today and yesterday's are totally different. I mean, yesterday we were
Yes.
discussing about is India ready for 5G or not,
नहीं
and
है.
it was totally dependent about telecom private sectors. And today this topic is about government whether, and moreover we need to think about infrastructure. I don't know if bullet trains will need new network or new things, or it will be laid on those old railway stations only. So I think bullet trains in India, like we need to wait for a couple of years more when situations will be fine and we have proper fundings and money.
फेल का मतलब नहीं गए हैं वैसे.
Bullet train will help.
कैसे तुम्हारे इसमें कैसे बता रहा है?
Okay. I want to say that like bullet trains will be a good mode of transportation for us. So I want that bullet train should come, and the treaty has already signed, so they will come. So there is not benefit of any discussion.
Please play the game.
Akansha,
Yes,
yes, you are right. Yes, you are right that we want bullet trains in our country, but we are not able to use that at just starting, because it has very high expenses and introducing for upper class only. It is not transiting to everyone. It is not
Today-
coming for it. It is just
today
coming for
Okay, I think that if bullet trains will
take
be
time.
introduced in India, it will be a great step. Many other countries will also come to India because it will be the convenient mode of transport, and it will increase the GDP also. But there are some
This is
environmental
actually-
effects also. It was
Yeah.
I have read somewhere.
Carbon
Abhi nahi
dioxide
pehle
releases
Kerala mein
air to